Hi, this is Shelley Sparks. I'm here at another garden tour from the Mountain Restoration Trust, and this is one of the Firewise gardens again. And look at the beautiful toyon with its wonderful red berries. One of the things that I did not expect to see on this tour is our plants close to the edge of the house. In normal, when we're doing a design for a Firewise garden, we wouldn't normally plant shrub end to end and have it within 10 feet of the house. But obviously this is something, the selection of the plants are probably more fire resistant. So perhaps the owner thought that would be okay. And there is gap between the planting and the house, as you can see here. But it is a wonderful garden in a very beautiful natural area in the mountains, Santa Monica Mountains, with a lot of native plants like the oaks and the toyon, of course, that I showed you. And so I think the takeaway for me on this garden is that I wouldn't chance to plant anything that close to the house. Normally a tree is not supposed to be touching the house, so that's kind of a hazard situation in terms of my knowledge of designing for fire-safe gardens. But this is a wonderful, wonderful environment, a beautiful spot, and it would be a joy and a delight to live here. This is Shelley Sparks. If you'd like more information about landscape design, including fire-safe landscapes, check out my website, www.harmonygardens.net. Thanks for listening.